Just earlier, Newsar Salman Khurshid making it quite clear, far from backtracking, the government is going to take many steps forward. It's going to take this entire issue to the Supreme Court. Now, we have Rashid Masood, who's a member of parliament of the Rajya Sabha of the Congress party from Dehradun. Good evening, sir. Rahul Ishwar, social activist, is joining us from Thiruvananthapuram. Seshadri Chari, member of the BJP's National Executive and its Foreign Policy Cell from Delhi. Dr. Zafarul Islam Khan, President of the All India Muslim Majlis-e Mushawarat. Thank you very much. My first question is to you, Dr. Khan. Do you think this is going to become political now, Dr. Khan? And do you deny that this move, this immediate move of the government was prompted by political opportunism before the UP elections?
Yes, I accept that the move was political and the opposition too is political. Both are political indeed. But the issue of a separate quota has been a Muslim demand for many years, and this new quota is not actually a new quota. It is a quota within a quota for people who were already entitled to get it but were not getting it. And that's why this quota came. And if the government was not really prepared to defend itself in a court of law, we should blame the government, not the decision. The decision was right because Muslim OBCs were not getting their share, and this is very clear the report submitted by Justice Sachar, which is known as Sachar Committee report, and also in Mishra Commission report. So the decision itself was right, but maybe the timing was not right. And I should also would like to add that it was not a new reservation or new quota, but actually only taking away what was actually due to the Muslim OBCs in the Mandal Commission and other OBCs which have been added by the National Commission for Backward Classes.
So what is this? What is the opposition about, Mr. Seshadri Chari? Mr. Chari, what is your opposition about? Is it an extension of, the hardcore Hindutva point of view, which is the anti-minority argument? Or are you trying to emerge as the champion of the OBC cause, saying that 4.5% will eat into their quota share? What is your politics here?
See, there is nothing about Hindutva in this, and if you think Hindutva is against minority, please correct yourself. Hindutva is not against minority, it is an all-inclusive, all-encompassing idea. Therefore, keep Hindutva out of this debate. Come to think of it, just as Mr. Khan very rightly said, it was a political decision. The Congress badly wanted to get the Muslim votes back into its kitty. So they came up with this idea. And what was there in pending, and Ranganath Mishra Commission report and also Sachar Committee has suggested hundreds of things, including secularization of madrasa education and providing more opportunities for the Muslim community to come forward. In spite of 60 years of independence, if our OBC and SC and ST categories are going to rise day by day, if this demand is going to increase on a day-to-day basis, year-to-year basis, I don't understand where all this is going to end. Therefore, it is always necessary to address this issue from the constitutional point of view. The constitution framers very clearly said that these issues are segregated. The OBCs have reservation as far as
what were you doing?
If there is
what were you doing, Mr. Chari? Mr. Chari, what were you doing when the
profession,
Mr. Chari,
if they are educationally and job-wise backward, they are given.
Mr. Chari,
but the moment you introduce the element of religion in this, where
is the element of religion?
It smacks of politics.
Where is the
ultra virus to the constitutional provision?
Where is the element of religion? The question here is that on December 2011, where was the BJP when the statement of the Minister of Minority Affairs was placed?
There is a question of...
Allow me, sir, 1 minute. Allow me, sir. As far as I am aware,
we specifically said it even on that day. Even when this decision was made, when Salman Khurshid spoke about this, we had said that this is a politically motivated stand and this will not stand the scrutiny of law in any court. Even now, if they want to approach the Supreme Court, they are free to approach. But
Sir,
when it goes to the constitutional provision, the constitutional bench will see through it and the decision is going to be upheld even by the Supreme Court. I am sure about it.
So why then, Mr. Masood, why then is the Congress party pushing this? Legally, you are not on strong ground. Legally, Mr. Masood, you are on very dodgy ground here. Why do you continue to push it?
I am not. I am not in agreement with Mr. Chari because we think that it is a proper thing to go to the Supreme Court and 101% we will get justice from Supreme Court. What is happening? In fact, the interpretation is being given wrongly. The quota has not been given to Muslims or Christians or Buddhists or any other minority community, but the separate quota within quota has been recommended for minorities as per their population, which has already been declared as backward. At the moment, 66% Muslims are backward and they are covered with reservation. But what is happening? They are not getting their share. Whosoever becomes the chief minister, eat up the whole quota of the
So how
Muslims,
can you say
and
that,
not
Mr.
Muslims
Masood?
only, but most I have data about UP. I don't know. I don't have data about other.
So 1 minute,
states,
Mr.
but I have
Masood.
data
Mr.
about
Masood,
UP.
please answer a
Our
simple
share.
question. Mr. Masood,
Yes.
I have a question
Yes.
for you. Since you
Yes,
say
yes.
that, let's argue this factually and not rhetorically, right? In state government jobs, including in UP, most state include Muslim OBCs in the OBC quota. Am I right or wrong?
Yes.
I'm right?
Yeah.
In Uttar Pradesh, which you mentioned, am I right or wrong in saying that nearly 30 Muslim groups are included in the OBC list? Am I right or wrong?
Group. What do you mean by group?
30 Muslim groups. With West Bengal, 9
group,
Muslim
what do you
groups
mean by
in the
groups?
state list. State lists.
No, groups or communities.
Muslim groups, communities, the way you describe it, you know, you can have different titles for it.
No. Groups mean
Exclusive
there
of the
certain
creamy
community,
layer.
More than one community, then it makes group. Exclusive of creamy layers, certain backward communities, Muslim backward communities have been declared backward. Certain communities, and certain communities have been left out of it.
So then,
I am talking about those
So what
communities
is
who have already been declared. I am talking about those communities who have already been declared backward, and they are covered under this 27% reservation.
Sir, let's be very
but
clear
what is
here.
happening? They are not getting they are not getting their share out of it. For example, in 27%, 6% Muslims should get their jobs.
Mr. Chari,
At least 6%.
Mr. Chari is rebutting you. Mr. Chari is responding to you. Mr. Chari. Yes, Mr. Chari, quickly.
Arnav, he just mentioned that this reservation which he is seeking, this 4.5% or whatever Salman Khurshid has said, is specifically for minority community. Here when you say minority community, you mean either Muslim, Christian or any other minority under the constitution. Now if you say that this minority community reservation is nothing to do with religion, it is absolutely appalling and it is a false statement. There are already communities
No, I am not saying
who come under this reservation, under this 27 reservation,
No, I am not
who
saying that.
happen to be
I am not saying
religiously
No, do you have a problem with
different
affirmative
religious
action?
groups, say Hindu or Muslim or Christian, but by virtue of their profession and by virtue of their birth, they come under that particular category.